right, our last day of bowling with second grade. They're doing the Cube Collectors game. It's a cooperative activity that we are using little manipulative cubes to keep track of the number of pins that we knock down. So we will roll the ball, see how many of those 10 pins get knocked over, and that's the number of cubes that they come and take from the cube cart. So the cube cart is up here. We've got all the manipulative cubes. Any cubes that they earn, they bring back to their hula hoop, and they try to make multiples of 10. When they can stack up rows of 10, it makes it really easy to count at the end of the game, because we can just count by tens, and then any extra ones we just add to our total. So groups will continue to rotate and take turns with their groups. They're in groups of 3 or 4, depending on how many they wanted to have. We've got 6 lanes set up, and you can see they're working together to take turns through the different positions. Our positions are the bowler, who also goes and collects the cubes and puts them into their hula hoop. And when they finish that job, they drop down to be the pin setter, and they continue to be the pin setter until it's their turn. How do they know when it's their turn? Well, they'll have a sheet that looks like this called "Is It My Turn?" They list their names on there, and that's the order that they're going to bowl in. So they just follow the next person. That way we don't argue over who's next. And everybody gets a chance to bowl, collect the cubes, and set up the pins. Nice, Evan. Good, so you have 20 here, right? 10, 20, and then can you make another 10 here?
Yeah, if we take this one off.
Yeah, so you might have to take them apart and then, perfect. So they're working on making those multiples of 10, and then we'll skip count at the end of the activity. This is second grade. It's been working great with second and first. Kindergarten, we're still kind of working on the rotation, but we're getting there.